Alright, what's up guys, this is Kanki, founder of Zark Trade. Today's video is going to be really short, but I wanted to show you an example of what I really think is important in trading. It's going to be a really short thing, but the idea is that I was looking for a trade on GBP CAD. I was looking to short on a multi-time frame level. So I saw this resistance level at 1.75, and I was looking for basically a bounce out of this area, right? So a move downward. And this is really going to show you a big lesson in trading that I think is really important, but people forget it so many times. And I forgot it so many times in the past as well. So I was looking this morning on a possible breakout. So I saw that we went down. So we had this move down early during the night and yesterday. And then we started to consolidate. Okay, so then I said, this is a good opportunity to possibly sell if we're going to have a breakdown. Now we did have the breakdown here, and I was looking to sell at that point when I saw the breakdown. Okay, so I was almost ready to enter a trade, and then this is where the last check come into play, the news. And what happens is that at 10 a.m. this morning, we had the news announcement. So we had a rate statement plus the overnight trade that was announced at that time. So this is really important because whenever we have something like this, a news that is major, and I'm on Forex Factory, simply I'm filtering the news, taking just the major ones. Whenever we're gonna have a news like this, especially a statement like this, I can expect volatility to be really high and the price to possibly bounce or possibly do some unexpected moves. So I really want to be careful here. And that's where I said I'm not gonna enter until we see that news. And as a matter of fact, at 10, we had this candlestick here, which completely broke out and came back within the range. Now, if you were to trade this as a typical breakout trade, you'll probably put your stop loss above the candlestick that broke out, and you will be stopped out, right? You will be stopped out by this candlestick here. So that really shows that whenever you're going to have big news, you want to be careful the way you enter. Okay, the best idea is probably to wait and see what happens. And if you miss the setup because of the news, because it goes in your direction and you miss the trade, I think I think that's fine. That's totally fair. But you're gonna avoid a lot of losing trade like this that might end up going your way, but because of the news, you had this pullback, strong pullback, and you were stopped out. So you have to be careful with that. So it's been a little bit longer than I thought, but I really want to highlight this lesson of looking at the news before you enter a trade. And I think that can make a big difference along your trading. It's something that made a big difference for me. So I recommend you check this out. So if this video is valuable, please like the video. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Check out our Facebook group at thisartistry.com/group. I'm looking forward for a couple of great podcasts. I've been doing a lot of editing today. And we do have some great things coming on. Van Tarp, Albert Mate, and Paul Wallace. So that's going to be awesome. Even Adam Grimes. So that's going to be great. If you guys want to check it out, thisartistry.com. We have all the links there. And I'll see you soon. Ciao.